How to change phone number on your Splitwise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change phone number on your Splitwise account. So to do that, first of all, open the Splitwise app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Splitwise account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on the Accounts tab, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on your name or your email address over here. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the account settings page, where you'll have to simply wait for this page to load. And once the page is loaded up, you can see details such as your full name, your email address and your phone number. So since we are here to change our phone number, we'll tap on the edit option, which is right over here. After that, if you want, you can change your country over here, but if you don't, simply make changes to this number right over here. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option save changes. After that, you'll have successfully change your phone number on your Splitwise account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.